Hello, my Homo sapiens. Welcome to another video of mine. It is your boy Lamakana here, live once again. Another Keycap reveal again, one from the same vendor because his stuff is quite immaculate. I really love his stuff. It's definitely on the high end, unfortunately, but I think it's quite worth it. Give me the weight, the material, and the inquisitive design on each one of them. Now this one, it is again off the path of what I'm trying to achieve, but maybe one day it could complement my keyboard. And I want to welcome this little guy to the family. Look at that, the solar system. Is that really the solar system? I guess it's more like the outer space. Here we have a star, suns, planets surrounding each. Can you guys see that properly? Hopefully it's not. Hopefully it's focused. Let's that one more time. Here we have meteors, rocks, the sun, the planets, the stars, and right on top is a jewel of mankind representing the star. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, it's a heavy keycap and it's quite lovely, to be honest with you. The signature metal, the level of detail is just, I cannot. This guy is amazing. Like, I cannot. I will definitely shop from him again. And you can just see the flickering of the reflections of the light in there. So beautiful, so beautiful. I just wish it was made out of like real stone or something like that. Like, imagine this being an asteroid. A moon rock actually sculptured into this, and then the actual stone in here is actually stone. I think this is plastic. I'm not too sure, to be honest, but you do have a selection of different colors, rocks in here. I guess I chose the blue as blue is one of my favorite colors, but there's different shades of blue as well as different colors you could choose from. I'm generally hoping it's real rock in here and not just a plastic glass thing in there. But who knows, I might have to look deeper into this. But anyways, this is a galaxy type keycap, and on top of this, it's a 2-for-1 show. Underneath this is also another keycap I wanted to show you guys that also represents nature and the universe within itself. And if we were to open this guy, yeah. Okay. Here we go. Once again, a vacuum seal package, and this time, instead of the outer space, we have on Earth the landscapes. You can see right off the bat the stars and the moon. Wow, I love the 3D effect this is giving me right now. Like, look at that. It's giving that 3D effect of like giving some depth to the trees and everything. It's not just flat. It's quite amazing. And then right on the sides here we have some canines, some wolves howling into the trees and the stars, some more landscape rock formations and mountains and trees. Not as detailed as the other one, but it does have a vibe to it. I really enjoy it. And I'm more of a night owl anyway, so this sort of captures my sort of vibe in the mountains at night, the crescent moon. This is what I yearn for, and this is what we have. That plus outer space. How lovely is this? It's beautiful, and together they are quite heavy pieces of jewels. So let me try to get this on my actual finger here. Wow. Wow, this is actually quite heavy. It's amazing. Like this metal clanking together. It's quite beautiful. Wow. Thank you so much, vendor. I really appreciate this. Expensive on the high-end side, but I think I can make it work to complement my keyboard somewhere or the other. And I hope you guys like this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more. And until next time, guys. Peace.
Do you know the way?
From an empty sea.
What does it even mean anymore?